Welcome children to the computer class. I hope you all are fit and fine. In this video, we will continue lesson number 4, Windows Operating System. So let's start. Recap. So children, let's revise what we have learnt. Windows is the most popular operating system. Children, you have already learned that operating system is the backbone of a computer. Without an operating system, a computer cannot run. So, Windows is the most famous or popular operating system. Windows 7 is a GUI based operating system developed by Microsoft. So as you know that Microsoft is a company which has developed Windows 7, which is a GUI based operating system. What is GUI? Graphical User Interface. Starting a window is called cold booting. So whenever you start a window, start your computer for the very first time, that is called cold booting. Number 4, desktop icons, taskbar, start button, etc. are the components of Windows 7. So children, you have learned about the various components of Windows 7 like desktop icons, taskbar, start button, etc. Now let's continue with this lesson. Starting and closing an application. There are different application programs like MS Word, MS Paint, Internet Explorer, etc. So children, there are different application programs which we use for different work. Like MS Word you use for typing. Whenever you want to type something, you use MS Word. MS Paint is an application software which is used for drawing or painting something. Now, the second important point is we start an application program to perform any task. What is the need of an application program? When you want to perform any task, then we open an application program such as MS Word or MS Paint. Opening MS Paint. Children, here we will study how to open MS Paint. Now let's see the steps. The first step is to click on the start button. Then next we will click on all programs. And the third step is to click on accessories. And finally, you will click on paint. So these are the 4 steps which you have to follow while opening MS Paint. So here is the start button. This is the start button. You will click on this button and then you will click on programs. Then what will appear? Accessories. You will click on accessories and then you will get paint here and then you will click on the paint button. The paint application will appear. So children, when you will click on the paint button in the 4th step, the paint application will appear. It is like this. From here you can select the colors, you can select brush, pencil and you can paint in this area. Closing an application. Now, if you have painted something, your task is over. So how will you close it? Let's find out. We can close all the running programs or applications by clicking on the close button. So it is a simple process. You will just click on the close button and your application or the programs will get closed. So this will bring us back to the desktop, and once you click on the close button, you will come back to the desktop. Restarting the computer, which is also called warm booting. Restarting the computer means it shuts down and starts up again immediately. This is called warm booting. So children, many times it happens that due to some problem your computer does not work properly. So in such situation, you restart your computer, and the restarting of computer is a process where it shuts down and starts up again. Steps. Now let's see the steps of restarting a computer. The first step is to click on the start button. When you will click on the start button, the start menu will appear. Then the second step is to click on the shutdown arrow. And the third step is to click on restart. Now look here. To restart a computer, first you will click on this button. This is start button. Then this start menu will appear. Then you will click on the shutdown arrow. As you can see here, this is the shutdown arrow. When you will click on this, again a menu will appear, and from here you will click on the restart and your computer will get restart. First the Windows shuts down and then again it restart. Shutting down the computer. Children, you have already learned how to restart a computer, and now we will see how to shut down the computer. Steps. The first step is to click on the start button, and then we will click on the shutdown. So these two steps are needed to shut down the computer. As you can see in this picture, this is start button. When you will click on this button, what will happen? The start menu will appear, and then you will click on the shutdown. You will not click on this arrow, but you will click on shutdown. This will make your Windows 7 shut and your computer will turn off. Thank you.